Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your AliExpress or D DSERS to your Shopify account. So, uh, so how to connect? I will tell you. So first, you have to connect your account with Shopify with the help of your Gmail ID, or you can sign up. So let's make. First, you have to make a account in AliExpress with the same Gmail you have made the Shopify. So when you will do when you will do both tasks, then you have to move through apps. You have to click apps. So in apps, you have to search DSER, or you can search as you can search as AliExpress also. It will come at the top. So when you will click this, that will log in automatically, and something will look like this. You have to select the free plan, or you can select as your wish. If you want to select this or this monthly, or you can select the annually plan also. This is your wish. So when you will do that things that you have the dashboard of this, so you have to select the product that you want to sell on your shop or list on your shop. So let us select some products. So we can sell this electronic products, or we can sell this face massager. Like, I will in this video I will show you 4 to 5 products and list them. So watch till end. I am selecting these things that I will just post in my account, Shopify account. So let's post this RAM also, lifetime warranty RAM, PU skills. Okay, first we are how to add this. So to add this on your shop, you have to copy this link. Okay, see it. Copy this link, and you have to go to supplier optimizer, and you have to just paste this. So this will find the best supplier for this product, and when you will select the supplier, that will go to your import list. Then you can directly from there you can directly push to your Shopify store. So you can check the reviews, whichever you like. You can add to your import list. So I am adding this to so I can just add it. It will redirect it to my import list. As you can see, I will add more products. I will add this. I will add all this also. This mobile charger for our cards. Just do like this. We have to wait for a minute. It will search for the product, and it will let us select for this iPhone protective glasses. So as you can see here, I can choose this supplier or this. Let us choose this supplier. We have to, like, the product imported. Stay here. Then you can just paste another link and to search. So you have to do, and like, I am selecting this product. This is good, looking good. I will stay here. You have to cut this. Then we go to next. As you can see, this is Xiaomi drone from AliExpress. So you have to just paste this and search for the link. Wait for a minute till find supplier, best supplier, or the with great reviews. As you can see, it is with great reviews. You can just import to the list. Just import it. I am cutting this link and pasting here. Paste, then search. So as you can see, it with the great reviews. Yes, this is good with 5 star. So stay here. So let's go to import list. We have 5 products. We have to check all of them one by one. Then we have ticked. Then we have to click on this button, push to Shopify. Then we have to just push to Shopify. Here we have two options, but do not take it because it will create a problem for you. So I can take this, publish on my online store, and please don't do this because if the product will be out of stock, your customer will they will think you are a defaulter. That's why they will not buy from you. Just click on this push to Shopify. Just click on this. You can just wait. Like you have to add this app also if you want like photos and reviews. So I am adding this, installing this app because it will help our online store to grow fast. I'm reloading this page. As you can see, I will click on this, push to Shopify. As you can see, it's successfully pushed. You can check the status. Import reviews. You can see. You can import the reviews. You can see as importing review. You can just select. You can just preview and import the reviews also. From this, import it. We can just import finishing. We can just click here. All reviews are imported. Let's see our products. So the products that we have added from here, it has been added from our Shopify to our Shopify store. Let's go to our online shop. Let's go to our online shop. As we can see, this product has been listed here also. As we have clicked there to add to our website also. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.